See, I started this before this. It's you gotta cook a little bit. America. Oh, you see the water boiled too already, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now what? Let's put the salt on the water. Okay. All right, salt on the water. And I start to do this asparagus. It's a look a nice color. I start to cook. Okay, take a little time. It's a garlic, lot of garlic, and oil. And today we make, hello everybody, tonight we make tagliatelle spinach with asparagus, and I got a cherry tomato. This is from my garden. And I take the skin out. And this is the tagliatelle.
Shrimp. What is shrimp?
Eh? Oh, what is the shrimp? Boy.
Hello, everybody. You forget the shrimp.
And I got my shrimp right over here. Look how beautiful. Okay? All right. Now, to start the right away, we do the pasta. And before I start to do the pasta, the shrimp, everything, I want to do salute and chin chin and everybody. Salute. Okay. At the same time, for the shrimp, let me put the gas on over here. Okay, I want the oil to warm up. Okay, it's enough. And we put a little garlic for the shrimp. And now, let's do the tagliatelle. The water boil. Okay, e the pasta. Okay, we raise the flame a little bit for the shrimp.
Roland, he sent you stars.
Oh, thank you very much. Oh,
Roland
Roland,
and Bill
thank you very much. Roland and Bill, chin chin salute.
and Mike.
And Mike, let's drink a little wine with me. Maybe a little martini. Okay, chin chin. Okay, now we lower the gas a little bit. Yeah, I want to do the shrimp. To give a nice color for the shrimp.
And Leslie, thank you everyone.
Thank you, everybody.
Debbie, you need to send it us your address, please. Pasta 10 minutes. And Carol, thank you everyone. Chin Chin Roland, together with the chef.
Okay, we lower the gas on this. Thank you very much for the start. Okay, that asparagus looks good.
And Michelle, thank you so much everyone.
This is the cherry tomato.
Michelle, she sent you 500 stars.
Thank you very much, Michelle. Thank you so much for the start. Everybody, thank you.
You said this tomato from your garden?
Yes, this is from my garden. Non c'è bisogno zingare, ma vivi una non c'è. E look. And look what I got over here too. the fig.
We were waiting last week that you sent it to us, but you did not. So please do. We don't want to send over the weekend because I want you to receive like in the middle of week. Yes, from the garden. Yeah, you took the skin out. Thank you, Debbie. No, actually, our is like very hot still. Today was like 83 degrees.
Famma dormire, la notte abbracciata di te. Uè, Maria. Cicci, salute. Thank you for the star, Cicci. Little salt for the shrimp. A little black pepper.
Okay, you will do, this is easy. You have to just...
Black pepper over here.
Yeah, maybe. Fall is coming. For now it's hot still.
Okay, look at the tomato, beautiful.
They're so sweet, these tomatoes. Billy, say how many cups of asparagus you have over there.
Maybe 1 cup.
Good. Nice. He will send it to you with the roots already. So you can plant them in like in small pots.
We leave evaporated the wine
Billy says 5 more minutes.
for the pasta.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Thank you very much, Bill.
Yeah, we changed the name, Debbie. Now we call, no long branch, we call what?
Long branch. Raspberry pork.
No, raspberry pop.
I put a little pasta water.
This is really quick dinner too.
Okay, the pasta.
Maybe test. Bill said 3 minutes.
Okay, now the shrimp.
No, this is asparagus.
You go right over here. Okay. The pasta, I want to put over here now. It's enough.
Well, thank you, Dave. It smells really good. That looks amazing.
Cin cin e salute, thank you for your support and thank you for the star. Cin cin e salute.
And thank you for watching us every week. Very much appreciated.
And we cook tomorrow night too, okay? Tomorrow night 6 or 6:30. Nice.
Beautiful.
Ah, passione. Okay, that's it.
You gotta put cheese now or on your dish?
I put it on my dish.
Wow, it
Okay.
looks so good.
We turn off.
Chin chin, Michelle. Oh. Thank you so much, Debbie.
Look a nice shrimp, boy.
It's beautiful. It smells so good too.
Into my wine. Here.
We're always using the Checo. You have the container of oil? Roland is asking.
Wait, let me see Saga over here.
And thank you for the stars.
You can see? Oh, it's on the other side.
No, it's good. It's good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're always using this oil. It's actually is really good. Oh, let me know, Michelle. This is really quick dinner too. Thank you so much.
Really good.
Thank you, Leslie. Thank you, Dan. It looks really good.
Thank you very much, everybody, for your support, and thank you for the star. Thank you. Every Monday we cook a 6 story. And this is making me very happy. Everybody can see my video, my recipe. I hope somebody make this can come out really good. And thank you for your support, like I said, and thank you for the star. And we cook tomorrow night again, so somebody want to see what we make tomorrow night. Chin chin, salute, and thank you so much. Chin chin.
Thank you again, everyone. And this is again our tomato stew, beautiful. And this is the dish. And these big tomatoes.
Yeah, I got the oil baby too.
Yeah.
Okay? Thank you very much. We'll see you next week.